Welcome to Fort Digital Library Management System. This system is single-device library management system, means zero server, zero wiring. Traditional library systems can be very costly for schools and institutions to set up because they require multiple hardware and software components. What if you could deploy the entire library system with a single device instead? Fort Digital Library Management System is your answer to save cost and complexity. There are 5 login methods for student and staff. Student staff login by scanning barcode ID at tablet barcode reader. Student staff login by scanning using handheld barcode reader. Student staff login by scanning via tablet's camera. Student staff login by tapping NFC card ID at tablet NFC reader. Student staff login by tapping NFC card ID at portable NFC reader. There are 4 methods to borrow the books. Borrow book by scanning barcode ID at tablet barcode reader. Optional printout receipts after the checkout process. Borrow book by scanning using handheld barcode reader. Borrow book by scanning via tablet's camera. Borrow book by tapping book's RFID UHF at tablet NFC reader. Camera photo proof during checkout books if someone deny the borrowed a book. Here is return books process. You can check existing loan status. You can find books and check its status, whether it's on loan or available. There's no one-size-fits-all system. Ours is fully customizable to your requirements and existing databases. We can integrate with your current student borrower database and books database instead of using ours and add any other customizations you need. We designed this system to be highly portable so we can set it up almost anywhere in minutes. Let us know a convenient time and place, and we'll arrange a demonstration and discussion at your venue. Thank you for watching.